How to cure blackheads with home remedies. Can you cure blackheads? I mean, completely wipe it out and never have to deal with it again? Yes, you can. And in this video, I will share how to get rid of the blackhead you have and ways to prevent future blackheads from occurring. Watch the entire video because you will learn precisely how to tackle blackheads from now on, moving forward. Although blackheads are not harmful, they can be annoying and unsightly. Thankfully, there are ways for you to get rid of them without resorting to expensive procedures. You do not even have to go through the frustrating trial and error process of finding over-the-counter products that work, because getting rid of blackheads with home remedies typically involves natural and inexpensive products that you probably already have in your kitchen. There are two general steps involved in getting rid of blackheads permanently. First, you'll have to remove the blackheads you already have. Then you need to take care of your skin to avoid new ones from forming. Removing blackheads. The best way to manage the first step of removing your blackheads is to exfoliate with a baking soda paste. Pour 2 tablespoons of water over 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Scrub the paste all over your face, paying particular attention to the areas with blackheads. After 2 minutes of exfoliating, wash the paste off with warm water. After this gentle exfoliating scrub, prepare a lemon and egg white face mask. Egg whites help tighten up your pores so that blackheads don't have much space to form. On the other hand, lemon juice gives you the added benefit of lightening up dark spots and keeping bacteria from growing. To make this mask, place the egg whites of 1 egg in a small bowl and whisk it up with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Keep whisking until the mixture is bubbly. Then use a brush to apply it to your face. To maximize absorption, place strips of tissue over the mask and apply more of the mixture on top. This will help keep your skin soaked. Once the mask hardens, peel it off, cleanse your face with a gentle facial wash, and apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Avoiding blackheads. Exfoliating and using an egg white mask will gradually obliterate your blackheads. Doing this will regularly help keep new ones from forming. But to make sure you avoid blackheads, there are several other things you can do. First, use a bentonite clay mask regularly. This will help absorb dirt and excess oils that often clog up pores and lead to the formation of blackheads and other blemishes. Second, invest in the right skincare products. If you have acne-prone skin, make sure you choose products that help balance your oil production. Otherwise, your blackheads will keep coming back. Additionally, you should also find products that are specifically labeled non-comedogenic to keep your pores from becoming clogged. Third, cut the habit of touching your face. Your fingers can have dirt and bacteria that can interact with your facial oils and form blackheads. Although you cannot keep air pollution from settling on your skin, you can avoid adding more dirt from your fingers. These tips for curing blackheads at home are incredibly effective. What makes them even more compelling is that they're inexpensive and easy to do, so there shouldn't be any problems with adding them to your regular skincare routine. By removing and avoiding blackheads, you can make sure that you get rid of these unsightly spots for good. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.